It's from Suncoast Motorsports.
Mom already opened it.
And she very kindly taped it back together. So these are, in theory, center lock caps for my Porsche 911 Turbo S. And I've ordered a pair of center caps before from Suncoast, and they were the wrong caps.
Dad, you wanna
I got an
open
email
it?
that said, hey, we have the right caps, so let's take a look. Let's read this. Okay, let's see what we got.
Is it a sticker?
What's in there?
It's box. It's small boxes. Dad, when you open the small boxes up, can I use them?
Sure, you can have the small boxes.
When they're not
Okay, let's see what we got.
Okay.
Looks like it could be the right size.
Can it be a popper?
Can it be a
Okay, I'm
popper?
gonna have this.
Hey, look at that. I believe that is exactly what we need. Thank you, Suncoast.
Here's the other one.
Thank you, Chloe. Oh,
Right there.
should we open the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm gonna take these little boxes out.
How many wheels does a car have, Chloe?
4.
Good. 4 caps for 4 wheels. At $50 a pop. They're not cheap. Actually, they might have been closer to 60. Let's see if there's a
Can I
receipt.
use this now? Dad, can I use
Let's see if
this
there's
now?
a receipt in there. No receipt.
Okay, can I use it?
You bet. All yours. Let's go.
There's a box. There's a box.
Put them on. These are the old caps. Right there. Silver, gold, black, and red. But I think the new black and silver and black crest are going to look a lot better on these rims. In order to get your center caps off, you actually need this tool. You could probably pry them off, but the tool is going to make it a lot easier. To get these center caps off, there's actually a little groove right here, and that tool fits into the groove. There's a little indentation here, and this little ridge on the center lock cap has to sit inside this. Old and new. I think that's a big improvement.